Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Nvidia forecast a roughly threefold surge in quarterly revenue that handily beat estimates as the company banked on towering demand for its industry-leading artificial intelligence chips, sending its shares up 10% after hours. The BNB price climbed over $380 for the first time since November 2022 and outperformed the broader crypto market. The token is benefiting from fading concerns about crypto exchange Binance after last year's regulatory troubles. The dollar edged broadly lower as traders awaited a slew of business activity surveys to gauge the health of major economies and what that may mean for the global interest rate outlook.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.